Have you ever wondered how your body makes energy? Today, Carl and Patrice are going to tell you about ATP, the magic molecule that keeps you alive.
ATP is a complex molecule that your body breaks down to create energy for many different things.
That sounds interesting. How is it made?
Well, Carl, it begins when electrons derived from the food you eat enter what is known as the electron transport chain in your cell's mitochondria. This is much better than using lactic acid fermentation.
I know the electron transport chain. That is where different electron carriers run around to pass electrons from one complex to another, with each one pumping protons across the membrane so a gradient of proton fills up. And these complexes aren't alone. They group together like this so they can be even better at pumping protons.
Exactly! This proton gradient is super important for the production of ATP.
Whoa! What does ATP look like?
Well, it looks like this.
So fancy.
As you can see, this protein is made of many subunits. The F1 domain can be seen here, which has alpha and beta subunits in a ring. The F0 domain contains a triangular crank that is connected to F1. The crank in F0 spins when protons flow through it, which spins F1 to make ATP.
Do you know about the mitochondrial permeability transition pore, or the MPTP?
No, what is that?
The MPTP is part of the mitochondria that allows small molecules in and out, sort of like a gatekeeper. Scientists think that the MPTP is located between two molecules of ATP synthase.
Cool. So what happens when these molecules get out?
The MPTP lets out dangerous molecules that damage the DNA, which can lead to faster aging and cell death.
That doesn't sound good at all. How do we prevent this pore from opening?
Aging is the prominent cause of MPTP opening, as your cells make more mistakes, resulting in these dangerous molecules as you get older. However, leading an active, healthy lifestyle can help you keep your body younger and hip.
That is good to know.
Also, you should know about cardiolipin. If you are born with a mutation in the gene for cardiolipin, your electron transport chain will not group together as easily, and you won't be able to create the proton gradient used in ATP synthase to make energy.
What happens then?
Then you have birth syndrome. This means that you have trouble producing enough ATP for organs such as the heart and brain. Your heart needs a lot of energy, and if it doesn't have enough, the muscles can become stiff.
Ouch!
Anything else they should know?
I think that's it.
Well, thanks for coming. We hope you learned something about ATP.
Thank you. Bye.